A very, very simple video on changing the indicator or turn signal front bulb on a 211. On my wife's car, the driver's or right side had gone out and was not working. So the manual was not particularly clear, so hence a very simple, quick video. And after opening the bonnet, sticking your hands in to get these things out on these modern cars is actually kind of annoying. So the indicators above the main lamp, mine are getting a little bit frosty. It might be time to have them polished. You can see in the manual there, number 1 is the turn signal bulb, which you need to stick your hand in and twist out, which is a little bit more awkward than you think. And you can see that bulb there is a PY21W, number 2. So I actually had to have these ordered in from the auto shop. Even though they're very basic, cheapy globes, they weren't anything particularly fancy. So just rotating that out, the globe holder. There's the replacement globe, some cheap globe from overseas, not a branded one. The PY21Y with the offset pins and orange globe. So these will probably become a thing of the past with new cars in the future. You can see the offset pins there. And then basically just popping it back into the holder. Probably shouldn't be touching the glass. Don't know if that's a major issue. These things cost like about $8 for the pair in 2024. And then just contorting your hand in there. Cold engine bay is probably better than trying to do this on a hot one. And then just rotating the thing in. I'm sure you could probably detach those lights and take them out and go through a monster effort, but it is possible. And so the warning light's gone off and the indicators are back on track.